Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, will be organizing a mass rally, Manipur Kanba Khongchat, on June 28 with an aim to show solidarity with the people of Manipur who have endured immense hardships due to the year-long ongoing crisis in the state. Making the announcement at its office in Imphal, convener of Cocomi, Surendra, said the crisis in Manipur have continued for over a year now with no solution in sight till now. People have endured so much pain and agonies during this crisis while waiting for government to resolve the crisis. It has created a sense of restlessness among the people. They have come out on the streets to express their dissatisfaction over the handling of this crisis by the government. In order to show solidarity to the people, Cocomi will be organizing a mass rally on June 28. The rally will start at Thao Ground, Thangmeiban at 9 a.m. and will conclude at Khumman Lampak Main Stadium. While seeking cooperation from various communities, politicians, bureaucrats, government officials in saving Manipur, Surendra appealed to CSOs, local club members, Maira Paibi organizations, student bodies and people from all walks of life to be a part of the mass rally to save Manipur.
Hey, I'm going to tell you, I feel like I'm going to see who's going to see me from the no, Yam, see you are seeing his son. And Calapuna Madame Maraga, the Lakaida, one for the Yoshi. I never told the Namasama Tonta, you were coming from Tarpa, the Khongchat to Kalapa, Motiki, Monsikana, Vilivino Haragati. India Lengana, Oshadabadi, Lengana, Sibitovi, Company Hida by Cocomi, the Jabulina, Manipukan, Khongchat Ama, Cincinnati Forama, Lagiba, and Tulipan, Line, Vikipu, Mapan, Ayuki, Udegi, Great Town, Hoga, Kumalabaki, Minister, the Muba, Asadami, Tesida Pagi, Organ Party, Prima, elected member, MLA, Minister, Action View, Aduga, Lengaki, Shanghai, bureaucratic. Amadi, Nagam Kabi, Batamoka, putting what you don't view. When I cheer sourcing, club licensing, made up by Bima, Amadi, my premature, high bar free Manipur Kanba, Khongchat, Saruk Yabu, Hydra, Cocomi, Haideki, Andari.